Oh my gosh, it's snowing again? Snowman clock, wait a second. That's insane. What is it? You're classy and you know it. Wow. It's a good joke. Ceratops tail, dinosaur egg, ammonite. So yesterday I checked which snowman items I need. And if I'm not mistaken, I know which one we need. And it's the clock, I think? It's the clock and the sofa. Again, if I'm not mistaken. So like, you know, we got the table, we got the wardrobe, fridge, TV, dresser, bed, chair, lamp. And now we have the clock. So yeah, we only need one more thing. Only one more. Okay, we're gonna have to sell those. Did it? It didn't snow yesterday, right? Did it snow yesterday? It didn't, right? Okay, hold on. Let me just double check. I was very tired last night. I had a very long day, so I, like, can't remember. I don't think it did, but I'm paranoid. No, it did not. Okay, so we don't have to worry about digging things up today. Tomorrow, however, we will. So if we see dig spots and I remember where they are, we can save a little bit of effort tomorrow. Because that one by the store, that's not gonna move, I don't think. Okay, so nobody should be here. I mean, Gulliver could actually be here. Sorry, I should rephrase that, because Gulliver could definitely be here. I'm very happy that we got the clock. That means we only need one more snowman item, which is pretty crazy, to be honest. I mean, to be fair, though, it's almost been a month since they, you know, were available. They start on December 25th. It's the 22nd of January now, so I've taken my time. Also, like, the first week was a write-off, because I just kept messing it up. But we're not gonna focus on that part. Okay, so snowman. I'm gonna have to go on to the lighthouse later tonight, and that should be the last day I have to do that. So that'll be nice. Really, I'm just looking for the snowballs right now. And I guess I should check for Gulliver too. That's the other thing. Okay, so I think like I have 2 of the dig spots at least. And again, I don't really need to know where they are. It just might save me work. If I'm like, oh, that's a fossil, then I can just ignore it, you know? Okay, there's the shining spot there. Is it worth digging up? Probably not. My luck has been cursed lately. Another 1K. Yahoo! Yahoo! No Gulliver over here. And no snowballs over here. So the snowballs are both somewhere around here, which is good. Here's another fossil. So we have like there, and the shop. So that's handy. No snowball there. Okay, I'm sensing. Oh, okay. There's the other fossil. We basically have all the fossils picked out right now. Yep, I had a feeling we're gonna have the Able Sisters snowball. Are we gonna be joined by the museum one? No. Okay, we got one snowball here, and again, I gotta just check the coast in case. You never know, he might be here. I'm kind of hoping he's here tomorrow so I can get extra stuff, because I have to use all my characters for Gracie anyway. Be kind of convenient. Okay, if I had to guess, I'm gonna guess that the snowball is where Boots is. That's what I'm feeling right now. Don't be this one. This one's bad. Oh wow, look at me go. I know my town so well. How do I do this one again? Like what's the best way to get out of here safely? I lost it. Oh, that could have been bad actually. If I got it stuck between those 3 trees. I could have been like stuck. Okay, and there's the last fossil. So if I remember all those, then I'm set for tomorrow. And I won't have just extra fossils lying around everywhere. Because, like, that's a problem. There's too many, and I haven't been sending them off. And I'm still getting them in the mail, right? Because I keep a backlog. I mean, and that one's probably fine. That's not fine anymore. This does not look right. Okay, that should be good. That igloo is in quite the spot. Let me just double check to make sure no turnips ended up here. I didn't mean to talk to him, but I'm gonna talk to him to confirm that Gracie is here tomorrow. I just want to make sure that no turnips get displaced. Because that's entirely possible. Oh, yep, there you go. Yeah, these igloos are a bit of a problem. I mean, nobody's like moved in. I thought like people like based on the wiki, it like made it seem that people like move in after X amount of days, but like I guess you have to like travel between towns to move them, and you don't get. I don't know. I'm very confused. So that'll happen eventually. But like these igloos, since they keep spawning every day, like the turnips are jumping all over the place, which is not the best. I should not be talking to him yet. I don't need this one, so I'm gonna just not buy it. That's a blue diary. Do I literally don't know if I need that or not. Oh, I don't need it. Let's get this over with. Oh my god. Okay, hold up. Hold up. Hold up. My dreams. My prayers. It's all been answered. Okay, so we thankfully got all of our dailies done. Apart from the store. So let's get the store going. I don't know how long it's gonna take to sell everything. That's my only concern. It's not like a big concern. I have time, but I don't know if I have enough time. No, we need the kitchen wall, not the kitchen wall. Alright. Wow, that was perfect, apparently. Alright. Sweet. Okay. This is great. This is good. Very good. That's like 4, so that's not gonna stack nicely. They don't like to stack automatically. So I'll fix that another time. I think I have way too many raffle tickets anyways. Or maybe I just have too much stuff out, so I can't, like, deal. Okay. So 808. Selling price? 808. That's not gonna work. Nope. Ooh, not even. Oh man, really? Okay. I can sell 6 per inventory. I think. Am I doing the math right? I have no idea if I'm doing the math right. I also have money in my inventory right now, so this might be not it. Okay, so we have 6 bunches of turnips. 484k. Oh, we got money now. We got money now. And then I can go here and... Really? You had to drop it like that? I don't know if it's a good idea for me to, like, take money out. I can still sell 6 like this, though. I think. Yeah, it should be fine. I guess that's the thing, like, if I have too much left in my wallet, I'm gonna have to either drop money or pick up 5. So this is gonna take a little bit. See, that's a little bit close. Oh, I'm probably gonna have tons in my wallet, though. Yeah, it's basically full. Oh, yeah. That's the stuff. That was a close one. Is that, like, enough? I don't really know how much money this is. This is dropped in such a weird way. Okay, I think I have to take out 2. See, like, this takes time, but it feels good because you're making money. Buying doesn't feel good. Because you don't know if you're making money. I mean, okay, if I can sell it 6 at a time and the inventory's 15, then that means, like, it doubles in a bit everything, so... I think I need to, like, clear this inventory. Oh, sorry, this acre. I need to, like, start putting stuff here. Okay, so that means all my streams for the rest of the week I can just plan around other stuff, my dailies. It's like I've been having to like change, well, not change, but I've had to be like aware. It's like, oh, if I have like only 25 minutes, if I stream now and my turn-up spike, then I can't deal with them. So there's a lot of that. It's like, hold up, wait. Is this a good time? Should I wait? That's a good amount of money. Then we can just... Where do I even drop this money now? There's too much. I'm finally gonna do this. Finally. So I put like 60k into that, I think. Something close to that. I don't know why. There was really no point in putting that much money in instead of just leaving it out to put in turnips, but maybe I would have lost more then technically, so I don't know. Anyway, point is that's finally dealt with, which is good. Gotta be careful dropping the money around the signs. Those igloos, if they pop up, it's gonna mess with things. Okay, yeah, I was like, I gotta be careful, because I did buy 2 10s again. As I have done every week so far. I'm a stand-up human. Okay, that's good. Okay, I'm happy about that. Finally. Finally. After 2 weeks of losses, we get a Wednesday win. Which is nice, because now I don't have to worry about this for the rest of the week. That's the important part here. Not having to be like, oh, do I have enough time to get all the turnips or whatever, or constantly wondering. I don't have to like worry about selling on a Saturday. So I can drop more here. So yeah, the idea right now is to just drop money in all the acres that I would like to buy turnips in. So then I'm just always ready. I've lost track of how many I've bought and sold to this point. This acre is not great, but I could make it work, but I don't even know if Joan would, like, spawn up top. Like, what are the chances she just spawns below instead, right? Nice. I don't know if that's close enough, so let's go, like, here. And then I guess we should drop 1 for good measure. I still got a lot to do. Oh well. So yeah, we put like 368k into the debt. We put like about 1.2 in. Multiply that by 8. It's 8 mil, and then you sell for 200k. And you know, obviously that adds up to like 1.6. So we're at like 9.6, but I use that, so like we're maybe like around 9.3, somewhere like that. It's not bad. Now the problem here is I don't know where to put the money. Am I like... Nope. Okay, not quite. Close. I think 67 is too much. Because, like, there's that acre, there's this acre, there's the one up above this, or below the store. The dump isn't gonna work, my house acre isn't gonna work. Like, the acre with Butch, it's not great at the moment, but I think I could make it a little bit better. And it's close, so it might be worth. The thing here is that, like, I can't put money in the bank yet. You have to deposit... sorry, you have to pay off all your debts before you can actually open an account. I just got the second last one, I think. And the last one is like... I don't know, 1 mil? So technically I could pay off the last debt tomorrow. And if I have about like 9.3 mil, then that takes me down to like 8-ish. Because again, I don't know how much it is exactly. And is that good? Is that bad? Like... Maybe I should wait until I make more money. Be safe. I like being safe. Because, like, now that I have more money, if I put all that money in and I lose next week, I feel it more. Alright, so I think this means for sure I will work on the igloo on Saturday. Hopefully. Or another day. Kind of depends. I need to, like, figure out what, like, villager type I want for the igloo. Because that could also influence it. There's one that's, like, apparently better. I'm just happy that this is finally happening. But yeah, like, obviously I can lose lots of money, but the more money you have, obviously the more you lose, but, like, the easier it is to bounce back. So that's just what we're gonna go with. But I guess I have a couple other things I need to start considering at this point. I mean, those, at least you can see them. I think that's obvious enough that, like, I'm not gonna forget about them. Okay, I mean, this is taking some time. You know, nobody said this was gonna be quick. And this is only like 1.2 mil worth. At like 100-ish. So if I double this, it's gonna take even longer. Again, I'm trying not to like drop them where I can't see them. I think this acre needs more though. Like, I don't think there's enough. And again, the signposts are a bit of a problem. I'm trying to avoid them. Because I don't actually know the exact, like, amount of space they take up. The igloos, that is. Like, houses are a different story. But the houses aren't switching every day. And the igloos are still here for quite a while, so... And I might not use the money each week, too, so I feel like it's something I need to keep in mind. Also, I think I got both of the 10 turnip bunches, so I don't have to worry about that. Should be fine. Yeah, this would be crazy, like, if you could hold more money. Like, if you could do the 99k bags, then I would sell this in, like, a fraction of the time. Because, like, right now, again, it's like, I can hold, like, just under 550k. And that's 6 turnip bunches, basically. So if I could hold, like, way more, then it'd be a lot quicker to get all this done. But it's fine, we're making money. At the end of the day, that's the important part. That's just awkward. Like, I don't even know how much this is, and I don't really feel like counting either. I feel like this is gonna be like just under the limit. Gonna be quite close. This does not seem like it's a safe spot. I'm just gonna drop this in the sacre at this point. I've been picking this in a weird order. I should have dropped, like, picked up more of these ones. So I could drop them, like, on the ramp. But I have money here now. I mean, spots for money. That's the other thing. Like, you know, the idea is you want money in turnips in the acres that are close. But if you have all the turnips and then you sell, you can't do it. There's no room. Yeah, see, not even, I'm like 300 bells away from maxing out. Okay, so that means tomorrow I don't have to worry about turnips. I get my gyroids. I deal with Gracie. Okay, yeah, 'cause tomorrow's already gonna be a busy day, actually. That was a misinput. But yeah, tomorrow will be busy. Because I'm going to have to use all 4 characters for Gracie. I'm going to have to hope that I can tap the A button appropriately. And maybe Gulliver could be there. So there's a lot of things that could take up time. I'm going to have to take out 2 bags. So yeah, I'm happy that the turnips spiked today. Because then, if it was tomorrow, that would be, like, a lot of work. So I'm gonna have to use all the characters, that takes time and everything. But I assume Gracie doesn't move from the acre when she's set up. And then, yeah, the snowman. I only need 1 more snowman item, so that's pretty cool, too. If we can get that soon, then that saves a lot of effort. Actually, right now, if we get the snowman stuff done, I don't have to run all over town every day. There's, like, really no need. I have to check the beach for Gulliver, assuming I haven't found him already for a week. And then talk to Copper, so I can figure out who's gonna visit. But that's, like, it. Once I get that. And then there's the igloo, but the igloo's, like, special. And I can do that all in 1 day if I get lucky. So that might be what... I'm kind of thinking I should do that on Saturday, just so it's out of the way. Because if I have that out of the way, and then I get the snowman thing soon, then we're really kind of chilling. And then the lighthouse thing's done, like, tomorrow... No, today's the last day of the lighthouse. Oh, shoot. I made a mistake. That is not enough money. I'm sorry, I have too much money. My bad. Foolish. Not bad. Did I pick up way too much anyway? No, we're good, we're good. I'm not really, like, counting how much money I've dropped in every acre, which is potentially a problem. But it might not matter too much. I mean, it kind of matters a little bit, because there's like a point where, like, you put too much money in an acre, and then when you buy the turnips, like, you buy, like, there's too many turnips that you buy. Like, the money bags turn into more turnips, so you can't have, like, a full acre of money if you want to have a full acre of turnips. So it'll just get awkward. There's a magic number is what I'm saying. And it's very dependent on the price you sell at, or buy at, sorry. So you'd need to, like, plan ahead. But I'm not doing that. Because we're just throwing this together as we go at this point. We'll figure it out later. That's what I'm saying. These 2 acres are, like, my big ones so far, though. What am I doing? What is bro doing? I think this acre has enough money. You think? This one definitely has enough too. I mean, if I have 9.3 mil and I'm, like, splitting it between 4 acres haphazardly and not at all evenly, yeah, it's I think I've created some problems. I probably have too much money in those acres right now, to be honest. It might very well be the case. This has been like half an hour-ish so far. I say ish. It's kind of like an ish. I think I have too many trees in this acre. I think I need to cut them down. Or move them. That's the thing, like, I just took, like, whatever I had in the town, I more or less just replaced with fruit trees. I didn't necessarily move them, even though they're, like, in awful spots. And now I need to, like, move them because they're in awful spots. Or they just make it hard to see things. I don't want my view obscured. I want to see my money, I want to see my turnips, I don't want to worry about losing them. Technically, if you're trying to, like, min-max turnips and turnips only, you just cut everything down. You know, like... That is 100% what you do. You would just, like, cut every tree down so there's nothing in the way. And you have more space. That's the other thing that was handy with New Horizons. You know, you could just, like, clear-cut an entire area and just make it your turnip area. You could literally move your store to this ultra-flat area and just only put turnips there. Easy peasy. Okay, so this acre's got lots. This one, it's starting to fill out. Maybe it's got enough now. Like, I don't know about this acre. It's... like, half the acre seems like it's down below. So it's not really a good spot. In any sense. Okay, so I mean, like, basically all my turnips were in this acre, right? I only bought from 1 acre this week. This past Sunday, whatever you want me to say. I don't see any here. I don't see any here. I'm pressing the B button. I claimed the turnips from the dump, or sorry, from the lost and found. There's nothing up here. And yeah, because I lost the money, I just put all the money in the 1 acre, and I said, yeah, I'll just get everything there. There's just that one bunch outside now. Well, I mean, that's not too bad, right? Like, if I could sell these in about, like, 15 minutes, if they were, like, if I was losing money, but if I could sell it in about, like, double the time for profit, can't really complain too much. That's pretty decent. Okay, so I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna drop the money at the post office. I'm not gonna use it, and even tomorrow I'm not necessarily gonna use it. I'm just having it available so that if I'm like, yes, we're making money, let's just sell. I don't know, it makes sense. Because eventually, like, once I make too much money, like once I get past this part and I make, like, once I profit from turnips like 2 times, maybe 2 more times, assuming I don't lose a lot before then I'll have too much money out in all of these acres that are near the store. And then it's like, oh, I make money, run to the post office, deposit, you know, it's gonna be a lot of that. That's how it's gonna go. Okay. I mean, I could count all this money, or I could just assume that I didn't mess up. I'm gonna choose the latter, I think. Because I don't feel like counting. Or I could, real quick. Because that's 3, 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. So that's 27, 30, 33, 6, 39, 42, 45, 48, 51, 54, 57. 60, 62, 64, 65. And then you have all that. Yeah, like that's already tons. And then this is tons. I don't want to count these. But like, I only bought turnips here, right? Now I can't even remember if that's how I did things. Wait, what's going on? Wait, what's going on? I meant to mute the tab. I'm checking my stream. Don't mind me. I mean, yeah, I just bought the turnips in the 1 acre. And then that's right, I brought all my money down into that acre. Okay, so all my turnips would have been here, and that's looking good, and I sold the one outside this. No, I haven't done that yet. That's what I need to do still, right? Yeah. Okay. That'll be it. I mean, honestly, that didn't take too long. So, like, if I put double the amount of money in, it would maybe take me an hour to sell, but I'd be making tons. So I couldn't really complain. Yeah, if we got turnips again, like, next week, we'd be in pretty good shape. Okay, I'm going to make an effort to clean up here. Now, this is not really necessary. Like, the only reason I have these fossils is because I just was digging them and looking for the gyroids. Realistically, though, I should just sell the fossils, and I shouldn't mill them off, because the amount of effort it takes to, like, put them in a letter and then mail them is not worth the amount of money I would get for them. Alright, like, I'm rolling in the dough now. I got, like, 9 mil. Life's good. But obviously I need way more money. Not just for, like, the models and all that nonsense, but, like, for sale day with red and... Yeah, but, like, buying stuff from the store doesn't really cost that much. It's not that expensive at Nooks. So I don't know. Okay, our inventory's looking great for tomorrow. The mail is out. These are turnips. Life's good. So let's see if this is anything cool or what. A lamp. I need the sofa, just to remind everyone. We'll drop that out here. Okay, great. Cool. Time for me to wrap it up. Okay, so to recap today, the snowman we made yesterday gave us the snowman clock. We only need the snowman sofa now, so that's great. We only need one more, then we're done with snowmen. We didn't get it today though. I did mill off fossils right now, and it was a lamp. That's not it. No Gulliver today, so he's either here today, tomorrow, or Friday. It's snowing today, so there's going to be gyroids to get tomorrow. And we got our first recorded spike. It's possible I could have got a spike before I started buying turnips, and I just didn't check. But our first recorded one today, I finally made profit after 2 weeks of losing money. Losing like, I don't know, 1.2 mil. We're now up to like 9.3 mil. And I paid off my debt. So tomorrow I'll have the second floor, and I'll be on the last debt, I think, which I could then pay off to unlock the bank account, and I could deposit money, and I'd also get a statue of myself, which is pretty cool because I don't think I ever got a statue of myself in this game. So that's super cool. Super happy about that. So yeah, we put about 1.2 mil in and sold all that today with the spike. I dropped the money in a bunch of different acres. So that means we can kind of coast. But tomorrow is going to be Gracie. Actually, sorry, I need to go on tonight to get the lighthouse the last time. That'll be super quick. I guess I could have waited to get the snowman stuff then, but whatever, it doesn't matter. I wanted to clear out some of the fossils, and I feel bad about selling them, but I've just got the money, so I got to get the attitude down now. So yeah, it's tonight, lighthouse. Tomorrow, it'll be an evening thing. I'll have to deal with Gracie, with all 4 characters, which could take some time. Maybe Gulliver's there, so I'm gonna have to like find him too. And yeah, that'll be good. That's a big if though. It depends on if Gulliver's there or not. But I will use all 4 characters for Gracie because she's finally showing up after over a month. And then I'm gonna have to look into the igloos because I want to try to work on that. Like I have a little bit of downtime because I'm not worrying about turnips before I buy more on Sunday. So if I could do that over the next few days, that'd be great. But yeah, there you go. So 52 minutes. Selling them really took like half an hour-ish. And I also like threw in some dialogue at like the post office and Nooks. And I guess in the future, like it'll be a little bit different because I'll have to keep like running the money to the post office. But again, we'll see what happens when we get there. I'm going to leave it there. I'm out of here. Bye.